Not got much to do in your assistant role? Here are a few ideas. Read through all of the articles and emails you have received regarding the industry, skills, and general tips about the job. Everything you have filed away can be read when you don't have much to do work-wise, because you are still educating and training yourself, and that is incredibly important. Don't just read the advice, also put the tips into action and start using them straight away. Get up and have a wander around the office. Make yourself a hot drink and go and talk to your colleagues. Take some time to get to know them a bit better. Remember, you do spend all day with them, so it is beneficial to know the people you work with and understand what they do all day. It might help you in the long run. Tidy up your office. We have a great blog on Practically Perfect PA about using the 5S system to organise this task effectively. Ask your colleagues if they need any help with their workload. Do make sure they understand this is a short-term offer and you will not be able to help them once your workload builds up again. Helping out will ensure you get lots of good feedback from your team. The filing is always a task that gets put off, so if you have paperwork all over the place or your executive does, then this is the time to get those files and put things in order. You can also do this obviously with electronic paperwork and emails as well. Ask other assistants if they need any help. You may not be in the same department, but the work will be similar, so go and ask. We have to look out for each other, and the offer may be reciprocated when you are busy. Take some time to update your CV or resume, or look over the current job market. Can you add anything or change your CV to reflect your current workload? How often do you get the time to invest in the documents that detail your career? So use this time to bring everything up to date, including your LinkedIn profile. Spend some time on all of your social media platforms. Now is the time to do the things you've been putting off. So sign up to Twitter, join a few more LinkedIn groups, have a look through your Facebook pages. Why not? Social media networking is part of business now, so you aren't doing anything wrong. Dedicate some time to learning about your role and how you can improve as an assistant. We have loads of fantastic online courses you can get stuck into when you're not so busy with work. Tidy up your executives' contact lists and CRM. Again, this is always out of date, and if your executive still keeps business cards, this is the time to switch them over to digital. If the work lull is company-wide, so for example it's August, which tends to be quite quiet, ask your manager if you can job shadow with another department. This is a great way to improve your business acumen and overall knowledge of the company. If you know your office will be having a quiet period, try to arrange a few training sessions that you can attend. Your manager will be more inclined to sign this off when they know that you are not completely off your feet. Spend some time looking through your appraisal and review your objectives from this year. Tick off everything you have already achieved and then speak to your executive and ask them to approve additional goals. Make these objectives the tasks that you want to do. Is there any dream task you've wanted to take on but have never had the chance? Now is the chance to at least start planning how you can make that happen. Are there any manuals, policies or procedures that could do with a little update? These documents are very rarely updated, but you would be certainly adding value updating the details and sending them out to everybody again. Last but not least, go home early. Take the opportunity when you can to spend some extra time with your friends and family. As I know, most of the time we are rushed off our feet, but when those occasional breaks in work come along, do try to embrace the time and get as much done and out of the way as you can before you're busy again. For more tips and tricks for executive assistants, personal assistants and administrative professionals, head over to Practically Perfect PA, where you will find a whole load of resources available for you.